Hello. If your Windows laptop or desktop is running very slow, I have already shown you different ways you could try to improve the performance. These instructions is already, or I have them in the description field of this video. There is another step that you could take if none of those things worked, and this is going to take you a couple of seconds. All you need to do is to press the Windows button and the letter R on your keyboard and type clean mgr, which stands for clean manager, and hit enter. This box appears. What you need to do, just select some of these options that you find here. For instance, I can select all of these things in order to delete some unnecessary files. As you can see, we've got my recycle bin here. Look at how huge it is. So you can tick all of these boxes, including the thumbnails box. If you have like the download folder here, maybe you don't want to select it, so you don't delete what you don't need to delete. So after picking all of these, choosing all of these boxes, you either have the option to delete here, or you probably have clean up system files. Go on and click on clean up system files. What happens is that this is going to take some time to delete some of the unnecessary files that you've got on your system. Then what happens after you click that is that it shows you more options. It kind of analyzes your system in order to show you what you need to delete. So now, as you can see, we've got more options here. So now you can go on and tick the boxes. I can tick the recycle bin, the temporary files, the thumbnails, and a whole lot of other boxes here. So if you've got your download uh, part here, maybe you don't want to delete it so that it doesn't delete maybe things that you got downloaded on your machine, right? So I'm going to tick most of these boxes here, and let me see. So you just choose most of these boxes, then you go on and click on OK. This is going to run and delete most of the temporary files that are useless that you've got on your machine. So after this has been done, reboot your laptop and try again. Hopefully this is going to improve the performance. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Can I ask you to subscribe, to like, and to share my video? Thank you.